Hello friends, welcome to another video on technical analysis. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about crude oil and how we can, what we can expect from the market in the upcoming days. Okay, so as you can see, the crude was trending down. Okay, there was this lower low followed by lower high. So every time the market was making a lower low and a lower high was formed. So the market was trending down and this channel was forming, right? So this is a declining channel, but at this point, the channel has been broken out. The market has broken the channel and this triangle is forming. So it's still, the market is still undecisive whether the trend has been reversed or not. Okay, so once the channel is broken out, we can simply project the channel to the upside. So this was the earlier channel, this line. So what I've done is I've projected the channel to the upside, and that will be my dynamic resistance area. Okay, so these areas will be acknowledged, and as a day trader, if you are trading as a day trader or if you are scalping for a few pips, then that area will provide you a good opportunities. Okay, so similar this trend line or this middle line of this channel, right? So a bigger channel. So that is the geometry trading. This is actually based on the patterns or based on the price movement that you are trading, right? So as we have also, we can also notice that the volume at this area is quite big. Okay, so that a big if the market is breaching this upper trend line of this expanding triangle, then the chances that the market is likely to retest this 56 area and even $58 area. Okay, so those are the high volume nodes on the higher time frame. So that will be the my targets if I'm getting a buy signal, right? Also, this area, if I switch to a lower time frame, okay, let me go. So if you see, this was this triangle, expanding triangle forming, and we had this double top followed by this 5 leg down. So if you watch the trading with triangle video, I've talked about this pattern over there and how you can take the entries. So if you see at this point, the market went, touched this line, and there was this buying again, right? So this expanding triangle is undecisive for the market. A market can give a breakdown or a market can give a breakout. So you need to wait for the confirmation. You should never trade based on the analysis alone that the market is going to go up, right? So if you get a breakout of this expanding triangle or if the breakout of this channel middle line, so that will be a buy trigger for you. Or if you are using a strategy or a system where you get some kind of buy or sell signal, so you need to combine that strategy with the analysis, right? Analysis will provide you the projected targets, but the strategy will give you the entry to the trades. You should always combine your strategy with the system or the analysis that you are doing. Okay, so both needs to be combined. That is how most of the people or most of the good traders are trading the market. Okay, so you, if you do not have a system, you make one. Okay, you build yourself for a system or a strategy that will give you entries to the trade. Okay, so say we have this analysis that the crude is going to go up, but until unless I get a signal, or if I'm positional trader, then I need to have a strategy that will give me entries in positional trades, right? I cannot use my day trading strategy on a positional trading strategy, right? On a positional trading trades. So if I'm thinking to enter long, then I will have to have a strategy. I need a strategy that will work for the longer time frame. I cannot use the same strategy that I'm using on a lower time frame or for a day trading purpose, right? So you need to understand that there is no strategy that will always generate money for you in this market. You need to have a different kind of strategy based on the market condition, based on the instrument. Okay, it can also happen that a strategy that is working on gold may not work on natural gas or may not work on stocks. So that things also happen. You need to identify those things. You need to prepare yourself from those things. Okay, and how you are going to improve. So by experience, you will learn that you are improving day by day, and you are ultimately building some setups or strategy that you are trading or you are you have been practicing that for a long time and it is working good. So that comes with experience. So you cannot expect yourself, or you should never expect from yourself that you will learn everything in a very quick time. Okay. So the first step is to have a strategy and a system, and combined with your analysis, you need to take the trade. That is the basic thing that you need to improve. If you improve this one, then you are going to make good trades. Okay. So we'll see how this market is going to, if it is going to break out or if it is going to break down. Okay, and you can also watch one video like few days I posted few days back about crude oil. Then this is part 2. So in that video, I've also talked about the positional targets. But as I said, uh, like even myself, I do not enter or do not make the trades based on the uh, analysis alone, right? Even for me, that is not the case. I always enter based on the setup or the signal or the strategy or the system that I'm using. Okay. Uh, Taking trades, or it is like catching a fall. If I'm trying to buy based on the analysis alone, that is similar to catching a falling knife, right? So I may get stopped out, I may get hurt. But if you combine your analysis with some kind of setup, say if I'm a positional trader, I have a sub setup on a higher time frame, I need to enter positionally, then I need to have a setup that will work on a higher time frame, right? So that is the best thing that you can do from you can make uh, for yourself, and trade based on that one, because that will always improve your trading. That will always give you a good number of successful trades. Also your risk reward will be improved. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you have liked the video, hope you have learned something new. Please do let me know in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion, also write it down. We'll get back to you. Okay, and thank you. Happy trading. Bye.